Hello, hello, hello. Happy Saturday. Weekend na naman. Happy Saturday, beautiful people. It's 1:17 p.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope your day is amazing. You are happy, you are healthy, you are enjoying life. Oh my God. It's like a summer day now. Not summer day. It's close to summer day. It's spring day po dito ngayon. Oh my God. My car says negative. 13 degrees. Holy. In March. Which is amazing. Oh my God. Really good. Like very nice temp today. Raining. So, you know, when it's raining, it's all blessings. And hello. But anyhow, good afternoon. Shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat guys for your support. I appreciate you guys very much. And engaging into my posts, sharing, and yeah. So anything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, beautiful Saturday afternoon po. I hope you are having a fantastic weekend, and yeah, katatapos ko lang magturo. I had 2 classes this morning because so that's why wala si RJ, ako lang. And yeah, but anyhow, no, that's all I do on the Saturday. Haha, no more crazy schedule on the weekend, no more. So this is awesome. Coffee muna tayo. So yeah, so our time, so I can't wait to have a warm weather and we can go bike again. And yeah, so anyhow, touching base with you guys, and most of you na nagpa-follow sa akin, you guys know na meron akong online business na gino-grow ko, of course, in social media platforms. Kaya ako nagla-live, nagpo-post. Thank you for my 1 million viewers there. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope your Saturday is amazing. And yeah, so and every time I go live, I do try to have like a topic na i-discuss. Most of it talaga is like inspired doon sa mga conversation ko with people that are reaching out to me and asking information about my business. But today it's kind of like a general. It's about just life in general. Ang nilagay ko po diyan is things that I stopped doing to focus, para ako makapag-focus sa goals ko. And I will add on to that, and what are the things that I replaced as opposed to doing that kind of habit that I had before. So basically, habits that has changed and helped me to focus more on my own goals and not other people, you know, because I realize it's very, very important. Hindi na ako yung dati na just go with the flow. That kind of attitude won't get you anywhere. And of course, meron pa rin naandyan pa rin yung clearance or things na I know, I anticipate talaga na meron talagang mangyayari na hindi natin gusto. In any situation, kahit na nakafocus tayo, meron talagang balakid, merong dadating na dagok or things happen na hindi natin ini-expect. But when our mindset is prepared, then we're ready na kahit ano man yung balakid na dadating sa akin, ano man yung challenges na dadating sa atin, we can overcome it. Right? So, yan ang ano ko. So, first thing talaga, so marami akong binago sa sarili ko to focus talagang para doon sa, geared na doon sa goal ko. Okay? We're talking about long-term goal here. So, first of all, ang morning ko is very different from 2 years ago. Or even a year ago, because I just started doing this not even a year. So every single morning, because there's a lot of us na talagang inuuna yung mag-scroll sa cellphone natin. First of all, ang morning ko is talagang ina-allocate ko at least 20 minutes in the morning. Akin lang yun. I focus on myself. I focus on my mindset, and And talagang super laki nang naitulong sa akin. Super laki. Like within. Like hindi I can't, like, I can't explain, but it really is up a lot. Like it lifted a lot of burden, like lots of like worrying within me. So first 20 minutes in the morning, talagang akin lang yun. What I do? So I don't touch my morning until I'm done with this routine. I don't touch my phone. I don't touch my phone. Right? I don't touch my phone. I don't check my messages, nothing. I don't touch my phone. I only reach out for my phone just to turn off my alarm if I set my alarm, because minsan hindi. But I never scroll down or anything, never do anything first before I do my morning routine. My morning routine, what I do for the 20 minutes, my mindset. Right? Thank you sa thumbs up. My mindset, I pray, like I visualize my day. And I learn. Thank you, share. Thank you, Aurelio. Thank you for watching. Journaling, and I focus on what I'm going to do today, but not a lot of things. Normally, just 1, 2, 3. That's it. So, but I try. Hello po, hi. I try. Good morning. Yes. Good afternoon po dito sa Ontario, Canada. I try to focus on what I want to achieve for the day. That's what I'm doing. And like hindi katulad dati na boy. Pag ano mo pa lang, pag gising mo pa lang, ayan, nag-scroll ka na sa cellphone. No. Because there are lots of distractions, a lot of things that are happening around us. Now, kung i-focus natin ang sarili natin, yan ang bibigyan natin ng pansin first thing in the morning, wala na. Ruin na ang whole day mo. Yan, alam ko yan dahil yan ay pinagdaanan ko. Right? So, like, these are the things that I have learned from people that I am surrounding with myself. Right now, like, of course, with my business community. So dito ko natutunan yan, which really helped me within. Right? And it helps me na makipag-usap sa tao. It helps me and now to overcome kung ano man yung mga challenges na dumadating sa buhay ko, which is every single day na andyan. Copy muna tayo. So naandyan yan. It helps me with my own challenges. Like, talagang it's a lot of work. It's not easy. I'm gonna tell you it's not easy. But it is always a work in progress, and it has to, like, I have to do it every single day. Every single day, because that is the key. You have to be consistent in order for that. It's not the thing that you will do once or twice a week. No, every single day, because that is how. Thank you sa hearts, Diane. That is where you can, like, you will find it easier after you have done it many times. You will find it easier. Before, it was always a struggle. Yun bang you wake up and like inaantok ka pa, talagang tawag nun, you have to force yourself na, yes, I have to do this. But it's kind of like it's a chores. It's not gonna go naturally. But I've been doing this one for at least 8 months now. Yeah, most probably close to 9 maybe. So now it just comes naturally. Yan yung key diyan. And I love it because I feel it inside. Like, it's just amazing. Oh my God. I can't explain it, guys, but I do feel great. That is the most important thing. I do feel great. And that is the biggest success that I have, like, and aside from, of course, doing all the things that I am learning every single day, because nobody is a finished product. We are learning, we are growing every single day. Like, so yan yung una. That is one. That is the first one that I have. And then the second one is like, I stopped complaining. I stopped complaining. Because you know what? I am so grateful na I am so grateful. Like, when you train yourself, thank you, thank you, Emmy, thank you, good morning, yes. And when you train yourself to look for something that you are grateful for, in the middle of whatever chaos or whatever challenges that you have in life, right? Magiging natural na rin yan sa'yo. Right? Because just like just like now, because of the war, the gas went up. Really, like, and I hear a lot of people complaining, oh my God, the gas is like this, complaining about how the price is, how we can afford to do it, you know. But I pause. Like, yes, it is, of course, with us here, because for us, necessity to have vehicle, because especially us here, like if you're living in the city, if you are here in Canada, if you're living in the city, it's okay because there are public transport. I'm living out of the city, so I do need a car, right? And of course, gas every single week I fill up my car, and especially in the winter. So I hear a lot of people complaining about the gas price. But you know what? I place myself on those people who are really into the place that they get, like, you know, yung binabam sila. You know what? If you just think about their situation versus your situation, that we are grateful that we are here in Canada. We are, oh my God, we are grateful that we're away from that place. You know? So, kung baligtarin mo lang ang sitwasyon, place yourself about into that place where people, it's not their fault. Kung bakit sila binubomba, hindi, it's not their fault, right? Yet they have to go through that. See, imagine that. So, yan lang yung talagang nagpe-pray ako, but I am grateful. I am still grateful na andito ako sa Canada, that we are safe. We don't experience that. Yes, na andyan the price of gas, the price of grocery is like, you know, going higher and higher and higher, but don't focus your attention to that. Focus on the things that you are grateful for, because yes, we are still very, very lucky. So yan yun. Parang switch mo lang yung mindset mo, but yet again, it's a practice. It is not it's not an overnight thing that you will do. You have to do it every single day. Consistency is the key in anything that you do in your life. So I'm not talking about this one dahil sa online business ko. I just wanted to share with you guys, and I hope that you will find value on what I'm doing. Like, ito yung nakatulong sa akin. So if for me, I always think about this way, right? If something that will help me, I'm sure it will help with a lot of people too. Right? So yan yung ginagawa ko. Yan yung ginagawa ko. So I'm just trying to share this with you, and I hope you will find value in it. I hope you will get inspired and do something. Like, everyone is different. So you have to do something that is good for you. But yes, I will tell you that it's a work in progress. Right? And another thing as well, yun nga, I stopped doing na, like, saying na I'll just go with the flow with the day. So I have my day structured. But yet sometimes ano yung structure ko, of course, depende, because again, every single day, hindi natin yung plano natin, hindi yan tatakbo na parang planchado. No, because there is always something that will pop up. There is always situation that will pop up. So we have to be ready for that as well. So, pero naandyan sa utak ko na this is what I'm gonna do today. And I will do my best para gawin ko yun. But because at the end of the day, ito yung naano ko, pagka at the end of the day, maraming tao na sasabihin, busy, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy, I don't have time to do that. But again, at the end of the day, look at yourself. What did you do today for yourself? Right? Kung hindi mo i-structure ang day mo, parang nagfa-follow along ka lang doon sa mangyayari sa'yo. So, pero wala kang nagawa doon sa goal mo mismo. So yan yung things na talagang nabago sa akin. So hindi na ako yung I'll go on the fly. I have my day structured. First thing in the morning, so yan yung morning ko na at least 20 minutes for me. Right? I know a lot of people will say, I don't have 20 minutes for that. Yes, you do. You don't need more time because we all have 24 hours in a day. You just need to manage your time to make it more productive for you, right? That's all you're gonna do. That's all you're gonna do. Right? And then, yeah. So, and I kind of block my time, and yeah. And anything, if my son has schedule, then I have to adjust my schedule as well, right? So, but again, this wouldn't happen if I did not start, like, you know, or I'm grateful na kahit na, yes, with my online business talaga ang nakatulong sa akin because now I don't work part-time, full-time anymore, only part-time. So that's why na i-adjust ko yung mga schedule ko. But yet, yung bang, that is one thing talaga na nakokontrol ko kung ano yung schedule ko, right? And like, you know, give and take because yes, I still work part-time, but again, na-prioritize ko ang goal ko other than magfa-follow ako ng goal to other people. At the same time, I'm building something on the side for my future and for my family. Right? So that is the difference. That is the difference. So talagang mag-uumpisa sa atin. And fourth one na talaga nakatulong sa akin, I stopped giving myself excuses. Marami ito, but I will just discuss one for you. Okay? Because before, when I was a nanny, coffee muna tayo. When I was a nanny, every time I finish my shift, so I have my own room. Every time I finish my shift, I go, like, you know, I'm in my room, but I don't watch TV. I'm not a TV watcher at all. I don't follow teleserye or what. No. Thank you. I don't follow teleserye because for me, it's entertainment, yes, but it's a waste of time for me. That is my view. Right? So, I go to my room and I read books. Right? And so when I got out from my nanny job and I got busy with my corporate job, so yung pagbabasa ko ay nabaon yun. I didn't have time anymore. Right? So na-miss ko yung routine ko na yun. Na-miss ko yun. And like reading, you will gain valuable information na hindi natin nakukuha sa school. That is the best part. So, and again, some people will say, I'm not really into reading. Yes, I understand. You're not into reading, but you have to force yourself to like it because liking something won't go with you. You have to find it. Right? That's how simple it is. Right? So, yun yung isa din. So what I do, because as I said, I structure my day. So for me, for now, like every single day, I read at least 3 pages. That is at least 3 minutes for me. But I do it no matter what. So alam nyo guys, in a few months na I have started doing that. I finished few books. But again, learning is one thing, but applying what you learn is another thing, which is the very important one. So yung ginagawa ko na structuring ko every single day, I have learned that one from the books that I am reading actually. See? So if you are someone who would love to grow, if you are someone who would love to learn every single day, this, like everything that I'm doing now, it's my business that is helping me. That's what it is. So again, that's why I always say I am in this business not only to go to have more money. That was the first goal, but I did not know that there were a lot of things that will help me to grow as well along with that. Because mindset wise, time management wise, that is those are, I have a lot of things that have that has helped me. I feel like I am growing every single day. So if you are someone who are stuck, you are someone who feel like you can do more, you can still you can contribute more, you can create more for yourself and your family, this business is a great one for you. You don't have to do it full time. You have to, you can do it part time. That's what I did. I had my full-time job in the resort when I started my business. Right? So yeah, so anyhow, I hope na doon sa I hope you find value doon sa sinishare ko sa inyo guys. So just a recap before I end my go live. So just a recap. So things that I stopped doing now na nakatulong sa akin to focus on my goals. First one, in the morning, I have my 20 minutes block of my time. I pray, I visualize, my day, and of course, gratitude is one of that. So that was my first one. The second one is I stopped complaining, and instead, gratitude. That's what it is. The third one, structuring my day. Right? Instead of going in the fly, structuring my day. The fourth one, I stop giving myself excuses kung bakit hindi ako pwedeng magbasa ng books. And I give myself at least 3 minutes a day to read books na makatulong sa akin. So, I hope you find value on that. So, thank you. Napahaba na naman ang aking go live. Thank you guys for tuning in with me. Maraming salamat. Oh my God, you're still there. Thank you. And yes, so if you guys would like to know what the business that I am working with na nakatulong sa akin in many areas of my life, go to my business page. Nandyan po ang aking website. All you have to do, sign up with your name and email address. And our back office na po ang magpadala ng information na kailangan nyo. And I'm more than happy to connect with you once you have watched the webinar. So yeah. So anyhow, again, thank you. I thank you for tuning in with me. Thank you na sinasamahan nyo ako. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and I will touch base with you again later. Thank you. And take care everyone. God bless you all. Ingat po.